Network Entertainment.
May term na follow your passion. Sinasabi mo rin, parang follow your effort. Kasi hindi lang naman, passionate ka nga to host. Wala kang ginagawa to improve. Dapat continuous improvement. You improve palagi eh. Kunyari, hindi ka sanay na yung makipag-usap sa high-end crowd. Siyempre, papracticein mo yan, di ba? Or kahit pa paano, you learn how to mingle.
Tama.
So, mag-connections. Ganyan. Kasi, kung hindi mo gagawa ng paraan yan, sayang naman, magiging daydream na lang siya palagi.
Exactly.
What if ganito? What if ganyan?
Oo. Say for example, kunyari as a host, diba? May opportunity na dumating sa'yo. Tapos, hindi ka handa. Diba? That could have been your moment where you become lucky to get the job and maybe allow yourself to do it full-time already. Pero yun nga, dahil hindi ka handa, hindi ka naman nag-hone ng skills mo, di ba? Para gumaling ka, di ba? So, hindi nakita ng mga tao na, uy, magaling siya.
Mga Immortal, welcome to the Underpaid Podcast. I'm your host, Stanley Chi. Ito ang podcast na pro-employee para sa mga Immortal wherein we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagkukwentuhan lang tayo sa pantry. Ang episode na to, very special kasi kasama ko ngayon yung co-host ko sa Phil Kotse dati nung nagre-review kami ng mga kotse doon sa PK. And then nasa JCI Manila siya. He's a host na nagte-trending pagka yung mga beauty contest, Miss Universe, yung mga binibining Pilipinas, nag-host siya dyan. Nag-attend ako ng hosting workshop nila.
Oo nga pala. No?
Oo. Sabi nila, kailangan matuto ka mag-makeup. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako marunong mag-makeup ng sarili.
Hindi kailangan, parang glass skin tayo.
Kailangan daw eh. Kailangan daw mag-makeup eh. Kaya nagturo nun si may kasama kang girl.
Si Erica.
Erica, yan. Oo. So, papakilala ko na guys. Host, content creator, JCI Manila na feeling ko mataas ang posisyon sa JCI Manila nito. Tsaka all-around lover boy. Jasper Tiongson.
Thank you so much, Stanley, for having me. Ang suplado man.
Thank you, Spoofs. Kasi I have a collaboration with Spoofs and we have different designs. It's available now online sa Lazada, sa Shopee, tsaka may 2 branch sila sa Ayala Mall, Manila Bay, and sa Evergotesco yata.
Uy.
Kalimutan ko ni. Santa Lucia, sorry. Santa Lucia Mall.
Yeah.
Santa Lucia Mall. Yan. Spoofs, you can order it sa Lazada and Shopee. May 3 designs, suplado man. Yung isa, IGMG, i-google mo gago. And then yung isa naman, ingat ka, tanga ka pa naman.
Sabi mo, parang kwentuhan sa pantry. Wala yung pagkain.
Wala tayong sponsor ngayon, pare.
Baka naman po, please send over.
Kumusta na paring Jasper?
Okay naman ako. Siyempre, daming pinagkakabala sa buhay. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yung takbo natin. Pero maraming ganap ngayon. I don't know, the last time that I guested, parang hindi pa ako full-time in doing the
full-time ka
artistry.
na ngayon sa JCI?
So it's been, being a host and an artist, parang ganyan.
Full-time ka na nun.
Full-time na ba ako nun?
Oo.
Parang magi 3 years pa lang.
May run kayo nun, midnight run naman.
Ayun. Medyo, yun. Parang sineryoso ko na ngayon. Nakapag-release na tayo ng first single.
Oo. Sa Spotify, ano yung hanapin natin?
Hello Universe. Yun ang pangalan. Kasi ang story ako nga, di ba, parang I was looking for a sign, asking for a sign from the universe if I'll be doing this full-time already. And then, niliteral ako na Pia Wurtzbach on stage with me. Palakpakan daw ang host, magaling daw. Akala ko showbiz lang. Pero pag uwi ko sa bahay, I got a follow from Pia Wurtzbach. And then, she slid a DM pa. Sabi niya, uy, I wasn't kidding. Galing mo kanina. Let me send you over to Miss Universe.
Wow.
Yun na, sabi ko, niliteral tayo ng Diyos. Universe, thank you.
Tsaka Pia Wurtzbach, hindi lahat.
Yes.
Hindi lahat dini-DM ni Pia Wurtzbach. Ako gusto ko
DM ka rin,
mag-stage sa DM ko eh.
Pwede. No? Baka naman next time. Sabihan ko siya. I'll give her a nudge.
Sabihin mo. Yung Stanley Chi, follow mo rin.
Tama. Parang,
pinapanood ko yung video niya, naglalakad siya, nagpa-practice ng
diba, pasarela.
Oo.
Suplado man ng tawag sa kanya, pero hindi yan suplado kapag si Pia na yun.
Pag online, nakikita ko, parang, pag si Pia Wurtzbach, hindi ako magaan.
Pero bait niya. Sobra. Tsaka nakakagulat. Parang ganoon siya. I've asked also about stories as to parang how they interact with Pia Wurtzbach, yung ibang mga nakakatrabaho niya. Puro good things to say about her. So you know na
Miss Universe kasi, di ba?
Legit
Ayun.
na mabait.
Eto, pwede natin pag-usapan kasi nga, you're looking for a sign if you want to do this full-time. Yung mga listeners natin, mga empleyado yan. Nagtatrabaho sa opisina. They want to follow their passion. Pero syempre, hindi naman lahat capable enough to follow their passion or yung parang financially capable to do it. Kasi si Jasper dati, account executive ka. Sa Summit.
Summit, before
Disney.
That, for Disney. Ayan. So
tapos you're doing it on the side, di ba? So, ano yung mga pwede mong i-share sa mga immortal?
Sa mga...
Na, kunyari, sila, may 9 to 5, tapos their passion nila, kunyari, nagbe-bake ng mga, nagbe-bake ng mga cakes, binibenta nila weekend.
Correct.
Ano yung mga sign na dapat gawin na nilang full-time ito?
You know what? Parang sabi, I was also listening to a podcast yesterday and it was talking about luck. So yung luck daw is different from fortune. Yung fortune is parang, say for example, you're fortunate na, for example, bumagyo pero hindi ka na-hit or something. Mga ganyan. So you're fortunate. Pero sabi nila, being lucky is also about making a choice. Say for example, may mga opportunities na dumating sa'yo pero hindi ka ready, di ba? So, hindi na punta sa'yo yung luck for that. So, I think, yun nga, parang you also do the hard work, I suppose, say for myself, while I was waiting for the capacity to do it full-time already and the readiness, di ba, to have that kind of readiness. Ginagawa ko pa rin yung honing my craft also along the way. So, I had my side jobs before, which is now my full-time job, diba, which is hosting. So meron akong ganun. And then I still kept on being passionate about it, even if it's not the full-time thing yet. But yun nga, parang I think it's really about your own rhythm, I suppose, because everything has a timing also, diba? Sabi nga nila, in God's time, darating din sa'yo. But what I think is very important is that you keep on working on the craft that probably would be knocking on your door later on to become like a full-time thing. So I think yun, parang I think everything happens for a reason. For me, sabi ko nga, it's never too late to follow your dreams. But at the same time, you put the hard work also. So parang feeling ko din, say for example ako, diba? For the longest time, I was doing my AE job also, my 9 to 5. But then I think you're building connections there also diba? Kumbaga, nag-snowball din siya. Say for example, my clients before for my day job are my clients now for my hosting also because somehow they know what I'm passionate about. So, don't stop telling your story to yourself and to the people around you, diba? It's about attraction also. And then, you couple it with hard work also na gawin mo pa rin yung passion mo just in case it's not yet the career, diba? To hone it, to be better at it. And maybe later on, you know, the luck will come your way. Again, it's a choice, diba? A choice being na magme-merge yung gusto mong gawin talaga and then it becomes a career also and lucrative. So you become lucky that way because you've also put the work.
Pero kasi ang sinasabi mo, di ba, may term na follow your passion. Sinasabi mo rin, parang follow your effort. Kasi hindi lang naman, passionate ka nga to host. Wala kang maginagawa to improve. Dapat continuous improvement. You improve palagi kunyari, hindi ka sanay na yung makipag-usap sa high-end crowd. Siyempre, papracticein mo yan, di ba? Or kahit pa paano, you learn how to mingle.
Tama.
Sa mga mag-connections. Ganyan. Kasi, kung hindi mo gagawa ng paraan yan, sayang naman, magiging daydream na lang siya palagi.
Exactly.
What if ganito? What if ganyan?
Oo. Say for example, kunyari as a host, diba? May opportunity na dumating sa'yo. Tapos, hindi ka handa. Diba? That could have been your moment where you become lucky to get the job and maybe allow yourself to do it full-time already. Pero yun nga, dahil hindi ka handa, hindi ka naman nag-hone ng skills mo, di ba? Para gumaling ka, di ba? So, hindi nakita ng mga tao na, uy, magaling siya. Bigyan siya ng pagkakataon. Like my Pia Wurtzbach moment, di ba? Hindi naman darating siguro sa pagkakataon na yun if I wasn't able to really improve myself also and get noticed later on by a Pia
You're
Wurtzbach.
hosting na kasama mo si Pia Wurtzbach. Para saan yun na event?
It's for a brand. So, cell phone brand. I don't know, baka may sponsor ko.
Wala naman.
So, for Huawei. And then she was a brand ambassador back then. So, it was my first time to get to see her face-to-face. Kasi online, I've been hosting mga Huawei events na rin. And then, we've seen each other online. Kasi ano pa yun pandemic So, parang magkalayo kami. So, nagkaka-banter kami. Very, very lightly lang. Very short lang. So, but then, it was the first time na nakita kami face-to-face in that event. So, yun. So, nakakatuwa na at that moment, parang the stars aligned, ika nga. I was ready, I think, I suppose also. Because literally, I was asking for the sign, diba? So, binigay talaga, nag-align everything. But then, it's because somehow, I'm also prepared. I was also prepared for that kind of opportunity, to be lucky to get that kind of endorsement. And then finally, the kind of opportunity that was opened up for me because of that particular meeting, diba?
Akala ko kasi, kaya ka host ng Miss Universe or yung mga binibining Pilipinas is hindi through Pia Wurtzbach. Inisip ko siguro nag-audition ka or may mga yung mga parang dahil may mga kilala kang couturier na ni-refer ka. Akala ko ganun. Pia Wurtzbach pala.
Diretso, parang oops, wow. Nakakatawa.
Hindi lang sign yun, parang tinulak ka talaga.
Tinulak niya na talaga.
Parang ano pa yung naantay mo, mag-resign ka na.
Exactly.
Gawin mo na, di ba? Oo.
Sobra. It's like a big nudge talaga. Hindi ko rin inakala.
Swerte mo rin kasi bukod sa ready ka, nabigyan ka talaga ng sign literal.
Yes.
Minsan kasi iba binibigyan ng sign, di pa nagigets
Tama, oo.
Tsaka humihingi lang sila ng sign pagka jojowain nila yung naliligaw, ganun.
Talaga, minsan mali yung minsan mali pa yung sign. Baka sira yung ilaw, pundido.
Na tinitingnan yung sign pero yung red flag hindi tiningnan.
Ayun lang.
Oo, di ba?
Selective masyado yung gustong maging sign.
Ito guys, mga immortal, I have nice things to say about Jasper kasi yung experience ko working with Jasper, meeting him, talaga mabait na tao to
Thank you.
Ito yung
Stanley din naman.
Ito yung parang pwede mo ipag song and dance number pag nag-host. From kiddie parties to adult na parties, pwede si Jasper. Kita mo he has his own single ngayon sa Spotify na Hello Universe. You can download it.
Please.
You can listen it to it sa Spotify, tapos may mga social media accounts ka pa.
Gamitin sa mga reel nyo.
Nakikita pa kita sa mga commercials, digital commercials ng SM.
Uy, oo nga yan.
Diba?
Hello to my Smack fam.
Yun yung mga ang dami mong endorsements
Thank you.
How do you manage your time? How do you talk to clients na ganyan if a marketing agency talks to you? O Jasper, can we get you to do a couple of videos tapos mababa yung offer? Tinatanggap mo pa rin?
Usually, given that now kasi I'm doing this full time, and then second, I don't have a management anymore for my hosting. So somehow I'm more malleable in terms of the pricing.
Mas madali ka na kausap.
Oo. And then I also assess kasi yung long term. Say for example, maybe we could start small or low lang, 'di ba? But then we're gonna be building relationship coming from here. Ibig sabihin, 'di ba? Pag pinagbigyan mo, also minsan yung client somehow also understanding their pain point, then dahil na feel nila, 'di ba, na that you are willing to be with them while they are growing, then later on they're gonna be growing with you, you're gonna be growing with them as well. So parang hindi sila magdadalawang isip na, sige, lakihan na natin ang budget this time kasi
so
kaya
parang,
na.
Kumbaga, parang kunyari, binigay kang offer na malaki, 6 figures, tapos biglang naging 5 figures na lang. Mapayag ka ba sa ganun?
Depende gaano kalaki yung jump. And then, syempre, i-assess mo rin Parang
it's a big brand. Alam mo naman pambayad, pero parang feeling mo binabarat ka.
Medyo short-change ka.
Parang ba't dati ganito yung offer, but ngayon parang bumaba yung budget.
Sometimes, I listen to, for example, how they would reason out. And then, parang you'll find naman the truth in there, diba? Kasi syempre, sometimes also, pagka big brands kasi, nagpapalit ng mga tao. So somehow, parang hindi nila alam, parang they don't have an idea also how you work or something. So para siyang audition ulit. Diba?
So
parang ganun
okay
ang
lang.
mangyayari. Minsan mo okay ako. Yan, sabi ko, or magnenego pa ako. Say for example, binigyan nila yung presyo. Ako nagbigay ng ganito presyo, babaan nila ng konti, nagnenego up ako ng konti. Baka pwede pong i-increase natin. This way, at least we could start somewhere. Pero later on po, baka we could already go to my rate card or something because that's how I operate.
Parents, this is your cheat code to understanding your gamer kid. This is Keri Kita, guide for non-gamer parents. I'm Ray.
And I'm Joey. Hardcore gamers, hardcore parents. Let's learn from each other. Dito,
Keri Kita.
How baba is mababa?
Siguro,
You right now, Jasper Tiongson ka na. How baba is mababa?
how baba? Is it, siguro the percentage na lang.
Oh,
Siguro
sige.
I could go to as low as mga 60%. At least just to regain. For example, if it's nga a client, an
Okay.
old client, but nag-change yung mga tao,
Okay.
just like to bring back
If
the
it's-
momentum.
If it's the same people,
The same
tas
people.
bababa lang yung offer.
Minsan parang ganyan. Medyo ka naman. Hindi naman masyadong pababa na kasi somehow the logic behind it is you've seen me work and you know that I pour my 110% or even more for the projects. So actually easier naman to nego now with clients that I've worked with before. Kasi siguro nga, yun nga, parang they could see naman that you have great credentials to show and then that they could see the professionalism also that you bring on the table.
Do you boost the videos that you do online pagka paid?
Rarely, because sometimes it's the brand naman taking care of the boosting na.
Unless yung boosting na kasama na sa bayad.
Yes, kung part siya ng deal. But usually, sila na yon. I don't know if you've worked with so much mga brands already before, you guys, baka meron, diba?
Pero-
Usually ganon.
Pero
sila
kunyari,
silang bahala.
bagong client to, kinuha ko. Yung kusang magbo-boost, wala, hindi mo ginagawa yun.
Sometimes, especially if they pay me right. Or they pay me well at the very least.
Do you accept X deals?
I do still. Depending
Ah,
on my rule there for myself is, do I use this product or will this benefit, say for example, my family?
Oo.
Diba? I mean, somehow it will monetarily help me out still. Kasi say for example, bibiling ko naman talaga yung produkto mo, diba? But then we ascertain a certain amount, diba? That will somehow merit the usual rate that I also have. Parang gano'n. So i-match mo na lang kahit products.
Okay. Si Jasper kasi big time na to.
Di naman.
Ako kasi, share ko lang if it's a new client at gusto kong kunin na X-deal yung mga produkto nila, papayag ako sa X-deal provided na, baka pwede yung isang product naman susunod after this video. Baka may kayo. Kasi minsan, ang isang brand,
Tama.
ang isang, yung brand niya, maraming products, iba-iba.
Exactly.
Tapos iba-ibang tao behind the scenes. So pag nakita nila, mukhang okay to, nag-submit ka agad, daling kausap, okay naman yung niya, refer mo naman ako sa ganitong brand. O ganun.
Pwede. Good strategy actually.
Diba?
Maganda
Kasi,
yan, maganda yan.
una-una gusto kong gamitin.
Mm,
Pangalawa, kung hindi lang ako ginawang X-deal na ganyan, gusto kong bumili ng ganyan.
right.
Diba? Di, okay na X-deal sa akin.
Mm,
Diba? Yun yung, tips namin para sa mga
Yes.
content creators,
Oh,
na hindi palaging all about the money.
totoo
Kasi
yan.
tumatanggap kami ng mababang bayad eh.
Mm,
Basta kausapin nyo lang kami ng maayos. And at the same time, syempre, tataas naman yan ng
Totoo yan.
Pero hindi naman kami pwedeng yung forever na lang na mababa ang presyo or
Oo.
X-deal na lang forever.
Tsaka gusto ko rin kasi, I mean, ako personally, the kind of person na who would love to nurture the relationship. So parang gusto ko talaga na, parang kumaga, if I'll be talking to a brand and then I really love the brand, I want to make sure na parang we grow as a family.
Oo.
So gusto ko long term. So I have like brands na, say for example, my dental care, we've been together for more than a decade already, di ba?
Galing.
So gusto ko yung ganun, nurture long term, especially if I use talaga the products and if they need the I need the products also, my gym also. So most of my partners talaga pang matagalan.
Yun
Gusto ko
ang
ganun.
gusto ko din.
Mm.
For example, derma. Long term
Diba?
siya. Gusto ko derma. Tsaka
Isa.
yung eyewear. Importante sa akin eyewear kasi lagi
Yes.
ako nakasalamin.
Mm.
Yung dentist din. Mga ganon. X-deal, okay sa akin yan.
Diba? Kasi ginagamit mo, it's a tool of the trade also. You need them. So might as well nurture the relationship.
Balik tayo sa signs ng ng sa trabaho. Ako, nung pandemic, I was looking for a sign din na ito na ba talaga gagawin ko or something na
Pareho pala tayo.
I've been doing a lot of I've been doing a lot of side hustles din. Mula na sa bahay ako, syempre naka-lockdown. Nagre-record ako ng podcast, nagre-record ako. I applied sa Job Street looking for a host. Nung January ata yun, before the lockdown.
Okay.
So mga Feb or March ata nag-reply sa akin. Wala naman ako in-apply na ganito. Ba't may sa akin? Malagay yung kung saan tayo galing.
Right.
Ibang pangalan kasi niya dun sa resibo.
Right. Oo.
Wala naman ako in-apply na ganito Tsaka wala kasing pangalan ng company. So yun na nga. Phil Kotse. Ganun.
Interesting. Oo nga eh. Actually, parang I've gotten the Phil Kotse thing also. Parang ganun din.
Job Street lang Wala, nag-ano lang ako.
Parang sa akin, LinkedIn.
Click lang ako, ganyan.
LinkedIn yata or something.
Ngayon, LinkedIn na eh. So, yun, nung nakita ko, sa motoring, tutuloy ko ba ito? Ganyan. Tapos,
bakit hindi ko ba talaga sa motoring before?
I didn't see myself doing this full-time. Yung sa motoring. I didn't see myself doing it. Kasi, I'm a stand-up comedian. I host events, ganyan. Hindi pa ako nagre-review ng sasakyan nun. So, yung first nagre-review ako was Phil Kotse. And then, after a couple of months, tinawagan ako ng Signal. Stan, we're doing a daily show. Kaya mo ba mag-daily show?
Nice.
Yan one of the bosses. Kaya ko naman. Bakit? Basta, nirecommend kita. Okay.
Wow.
So, tinawagan ako.
See, we're talking about luck, diba? So I think you've done the work for it also.
Yun.
They've seen you, diba? So you're ready for that. So
I didn't know na we will be doing a show about love, sex, and relationships that time. I write books about love, humor books. So, patawa-patawa ako eh. Yung co-host ko, yun ang sexologist noon. Serious, si Doc Rica. Yun. So, parang,
galing.
Yung iniisip ko, yun na pala yung sign na binigay sa akin. So, eto, ginagawa ko full time. Pero the podcast, I do it, I record it via Zoom nung pandemic. Tapos, di ba, nag-guest ka via Zoom dati nung pandemic. Tapos, nagpunta ka doon sa studio sa Silver City.
Yes,
you're here, di ba? So, yan, tuloy-tuloy na. So, masasabi ko ng, host ako. And then, I never saw myself as a college professor.
Oo nga, di ba?
Hindi ko talaga hindi ko na-imagine. Hindi ko rin yung being a tour guide sa Chinese New Year sa Banawe, QC. Never in my wildest dream ko naisip na magiging tour guide ako. Ano yun tour guide / host.
Galing.
My dad was a tour guide.
Okay.
For mga
runs in the family.
Sabi ko, I have relatives, mga auntie ko, mga teachers. Yan.
Nice.
May mga ganun akong
So, ang galing, no? So, somehow, you were prepared also because of your background. Because like aunties were teachers. So, but professor now. And then your dad, tour guide.
Yun. I used to teach art for kids.
There you go.
Yun. So,
nandun siya, kumbaga.
Kumbaga parang hindi ko naisip na nasa dugo pala namin yung gano'n.
Exactly.
Tapos
Everything
parang
happens for a reason.
I never imagined na Kaya sa mga immortal na hindi nakakaalam, nagtuturo ako sa UE Manila.
Ito na si Prof.
Mascom ang College of Arts and Sciences.
Apply na kayo.
Doon kayo mag-enroll pagka senior high school yung mga anak nyo.
Marami kayong matututunan.
Yan. This is Jasper. Invite natin yan sa
sige, excited ako.
susunod na events ng UE.
Alam mo, parang feeling ko rin, if ever, na mag-knock din yung for teaching, I'll say yes. Kasi yan din ako sa siguro space na you have the capacity also.
Hindi kasi parang
ganun.
Nandito tayo sa panahon na take dati. Magbigay rin naman tayo kung ano natutunan natin. Kasi back then, wala naman nagturo sa atin o para maging host ka, dapat dito gagawin mo. Puro self-taught tayo eh.
Exactly.
Kaya nga ako nag-attend ng workshop mo kasi I want to learn more.
Same. Ako always still.
Kahit sino pa yung magtuturo yan, mas matanda, mas bata.
You learn something
diba? Kahit sino pa yan. Wala dapat yung pride pag mag-aaral ka.
Exactly.
And kayo bilang mga immortal, bukod sa naghahanap kayo ng science, if you want to to follow your passion, pag-effortan nyo yung
yes.
invest in yourself.
Exactly. Totoo yan. Pero I love what you said na yun nga, parang you should remove the pride in it.
Oo, wala dapat yung ano eh.
Mahirap matuto kapag
sabihin
masyado
nila,
kang proud.
Sabihin nila, Stanley Chi ka na, matagal ka na nag-host sa TV tsaka sa ano. Wala akong pakialam. Kaya makikinig ako dyan kay Jasper. May matututunan ako.
Kahit ako, kahit sa'yo, kahit
Diba?
kanino, nakikinig ako. I try to parang find, kasi syempre, especially I also, just in case, you'd be asking, kasi yung iba kasi parang pag pinanood ko ba yung sarili ko, parang nakaka-cringe or something.
Yes, totoo
Minsan
yun.
panoorin nyo yung sarili nyo para malaman nyo, shucks,
Oo.
ano kaya, parang kailangan i-improve pa to or something. Or sometimes even if it will hurt you, hopefully not, tingnan nyo rin yung mga comments.
Oo,
Pero
yun.
take it with a grain of salt.
Yeah.
Okay? Kasi syempre yung iba naman, hindi naman nila talaga alam yung sinasabi nila. Or somehow projection lang. Kasi syempre, medyo siguro may mga naiinggit or parang may pinagdadaanan talaga sila sa sarili nila na na-vent nila din sa comment section. Diba?
Ito,
So take it with a grain of salt.
Yung mga haters, they're confused fans. Confused fans yung mga yan.
Totoo.
Kaya hindi ka tinitigilan niya na nagko-comment palagi sa inyo.
Mm,
They're constructive criticism pero sinabi lang nila ng hindi maganda.
exactly.
Kaya kunyari, nag-host sa kahit sa Philcoche, sa One News, nag-ano ako. I read the comments. Kung meron akong napansin, oo nga, tama sinabi nito. Pangit lang sinabi niya.
Oo. But there's wisdom in it.
Pero medyo, oo nga naman. Medyo may point naman siya. Hindi lang niya sinabi ng maayos.
Yes.
So alisin niyo yung pride ninyo. Kasi hindi na kagaya before na when you go on TV, wala masyado makikitang comments. Ngayon, real time makikita mo.
Exactly.
Ganun.
May mga iba pa, narinig ko nagdi-DM pa, diretso. Pero sa akin wala pa naman.
Hindi,
Para
mga
lang mag-comment.
May-
Pero ibig sabihin, they take an effort.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin, they notice you and you're doing something to make them move their finger and put their thoughts online. Ibig sabihin nga, parang nga silang fans na...
Fans sila na ba't sila nanonood kung galit sila sa'yo? Kasi pag galit sila sa'yo, i-block ka nila, i-ano ka nila lahat, di ba?
Hindi pa naman sila troll farm.
Oo, wala naman. Pero may mga nag-DM naman sa akin dati, nangungutang.
Ayun. Ibig sabihin...
Hindi maganda eh. Wala rin ako papautas sa kanila eh.
Sa akin yung mga nagdi-DM na hindi naman nangungutang, more of magsisend pa ng picture na sa hospital or something.
Oo.
Pero okay lang. If I am in that space of giving, mag-share naman ako kahit na hindi ko kakilala.
Pero kasi
And then
kailangan
I pray
malaman
for
mo
them.
kung legit eh.
Sa bagay yung iba rin,
Kaya makita mo kung legit o hindi.
Tama. If we're gonna give lang kung ano yung feeling mo you're willing to give. Baka naman kasi sobra-sobra ka rin magbigay.
Pag-usapan natin JCI Manila kasi may event kayo.
Yun, speaking of giving. So we're giving time, volunteers po tayo sa JCI Manila kasi leadership organization. Hindi kami binabayaran dito. So all the work is for the love of, and of course, making an impact in society. So we have, before when I guested, iba-ibang mga run, diba? So
alam
I
ko
started,
yung parang midnight run na may neon lights pa na
yes,
shades eh.
so
Ganun,
electric night run yun. So ang ginawa namin din, nagpa-build kami ng transitory home, lahat ng mga proceeds from that run for yung mga homeless natin. The first one that I was involved in, it was the color run for education naman. So nag-build kami ng school naman. So ngayon, it's about mental health. We know that it's very pervasive and it's so nice that we are bringing more light into this particular issue. So, and specifically for this one, we partnered with, our beneficiary is the Philippine Mental Health Association. So they have an area in QC na bare siya. So we're gonna be building from ground up a wellness facility para maging mas accessible yung mental health.
Saan sa QC to gagawin niyo?
I think somewhere in the West Avenue or parang
So may West Ab?
I'm not sure which area. I'm sorry for that. But then somewhere in QC which is at the back or near or within the vicinity of their office. So lahat po ng mga proceeds mapupunta doon. Pero it's called the JCI Manila Color Fest Carnival Run. So parang may mga carnival. Ang datingan parang nasa ka-circus ka.
So may mga clowns tayo dyan.
Yung mga ganyan,
tayo.
man in stilts and all that, with jugglers and all that. And then of course, since color fest siya, yung may colored powder siya. Every
Madali mong
station.
matanggal yun sa sapatos tsaka sa damit. Pagka,
I think based on experience naman nung iba.
Madali namang matanggal.
Madali
yan
namang
na.
matanggal. Tapos edible naman siya. Pero wag nyo namang kainin ng diretso parang popcorn. Pag napunta lang, okay lang. Ganyan. Tapos merong DJ. I think I'll be hosting it finally kasi before the past runs, lagi akong may katapat na event na out of town. So
Pero
hindi ako makapag-host.
will you join? Hindi. You'll just host?
I'm not sure. Maybe I could kasi parang during the time naman na tumatakbo na yung mga tao, wala namang program eh. So I think I could at least at the very least siguro mga 5K or something.
Mabilis
Run ako
lang
ng
yung
konti,
3K, 5K.
oh.
Hanggang ilang K ito?
Hanggang 21K.
Wow.
So, but this is a
Pwede,
fun run,
pwede,
ah.
oo.
So bring the whole family. It doesn't matter also how fast you'll go.
Will there
kasi-
be a chip na makikita mo online yung time mo?
I think so.
Or you
Part
just
na siya
time
ng-
yourself sa watch?
I think it's a part of the kit now. I mean, they have evolved also. And then, of course, may iba pang mga laman yung kits. We're going to be showing that through the site. Check out jcimanilacallaround.com. Okay? Para makita nyo ano yung mga kits, ano yung distances, even the costs and everything. Nandun na siya.
Nandun yung price lahat. Tapos this will be May 31.
May 31, SM Mall of Asia grounds.
Oo.
So usually, alam nyo na yun, sinasarado yung area.
Yung 10K
pwede
dun,
kang
10 point something K yun eh. 10.5 yata yun eh. Kasi nakarun na ako dun sa MOA.
Oo, kasi runner era ka ngayon, di ba?
Oo eh. Tutayo na ako suplado run club eh.
Pwede
Tapos ako
naman.
lang member.
Kasi nga
Suplado
suplado. Oo. Pwede na at least madaling i-maintain, di ba?
Oo,
Walang
Mag-fun run
makikita.
ako mag-isa. Tapos sabihin ko, kanya-kanyang pace tayo. Ganyan. Kanya-kanyang takbo. Ganyan.
Everything happens in the head. Parang tinatanong, kinakausap lang yung sarili.
Tapos
Pero
yung sa likod
hindi,
nakalagay. Mga iba nakalagay, finisher. Di ba? Nakalagay yung sa likod. Di ikaw na finisher. Ganun.
Pa-design na kaya. Wow, kasi sa spoofs, di ba?
Oo, pwede
Pa-design mo
tayong
na yan.
pagawa dyan. Oo. Hindi, pero yung mga collaborations ko sa spoof, yung first 3 pa lang nilabas, magkakaroon pa
Uy.
more collaborations.
Panalo yun, ha?
Magkakaroon tayo ng underpaid na
Ay.
collab shirt doon.
Panalo, may merch.
Yan, doon
Underpaid.
sa spoofs. Ang ginawa namin parody is yung underground na train station, di ba? Nakalagay underpaid.
Uy, galing talaga na. Actually, sobrang galing ng spoofs also.
Oo.
And of course, yung mga kakolab nila, katulad mo. For
Konti
sure.
lang kaming kakolab eh.
Ilan lang ba ang mga sa spoofs?
Ang alam ko, ako, tsaka si Abby Asisio.
Ay, si Abby. Kaibigan natin yan. Oo.
Tapos hindi ko na alam yung ibang kung merong si We Will Doodle. Yun. We Will
Doodle. So, pati yung design siya na gumagawa.
Oh yeah, siya.
Diba?
Ako, nagbigay ako ng mga quotes. And then sinabi ko, ito yung design yan.
Nice.
Tapos ginawa nila. Tapos pinakita sa akin, okay yan, ganda.
Okay, legit. Tsaka OG brand yan.
Ito,
Yung spoofs, no?
Suplado man, Superman na logo. Yung ingat ka, tanga ka pa naman is the Tang logo. Yan, ingat ka, tapos tanga ka pa naman. Yan. And then I have the, i-google mo gago. IGMG, pero Google na logo. Yung Google search, ganyan.
Kulit.
Yun, so, kunin nyo na. Pero, follow Jasper Tiongson online. Ano sa ka ba makikita, pare?
Yes, so at Jasper Tiongson, JAZPERTIONGSON on all my social media platforms, kung saan man. Tapos pala, apart from my single, kasi Hello Universe will have a music video. It's gonna be launched also within this last week of April. So, malapit na.
Who's directing the music video?
Nicolo Cosme. The Nicolo Cosme.
Si Nicolo
Galing
Cosme.
yan.
Nakikita ko yan pag may yung mga photo shoots na pag
nasa
pag
mall,
December 1,
naka-exhibit,
ganyan.
mga
Tapos
ganyan.
may isang look na
Yes. Oo.
Siya
So,
magdidil,
very
big time ka.
talented. Thank you. May mga appearances ng some celebrities and queens.
Tapos na ba? Tapos na yung
Tapos
shoot?
na, na-shoot na namin. So
Sayang,
excited.
Sumali ako.
Sa susunod na lang kasi, I also recently signed with Star Music. So we'll be
Uy.
releasing my album naman come May or June. Yan.
Congrats,
Kasi
congrats.
medyo naging busy sila sa Bini, Coachella. Sa
yan.
pagbalik nila, iisin na namin yung marketing. and
Pag
distribution.
sama mo ko sa MTV, ganyan.
Oo, pwede, no? Ay, oo, pwede ka dun.
Ako mag-iisip ng storyline na.
Alam mo, pwede. Gawan mo na. Yung isang kanta kasi is about being crazy in love. Yung parang alam mong binabaliw ka na ng tao, pero hindi, baliw na baliw ka pa rin. Kumbaga, bakit ka nag-stay?
Pwede bang yung beauty queen ang baliw na baliw sa akin?
Pwede.
Para mas nakakatawa.
Pwede. Oh.
Talaga
Actually,
yun ang
no?
crazy in love, di ba?
Totoo,
Parang,
no?
Hindi naman pogi yung lalaki, ba't parang patay na patay ka dyan?
May storyline na pala
Ganun,
tayo.
diba?
Bibigay ko na sa'yo, ha?
Oo.
Ikaw na
bigay mo
mag-isip
sa akin.
dyan, ha?
Seryoso dyan, ha? Seryoso
Sige.
yan, ha?
The game. Sige.
Yun yung magiging storyline. Crazy in love na ang concept. Baliw na baliw sa
Sa'yo
akin
na
yung
humaling.
babae.
Pwede, no?
Sa akin. Tapos lahat sila nagtataka, ito yung boyfriend mo, ganyan.
Oo.
Ganyan.
G.
Ito yung crush mo, ganyan.
Hindi, sige. Seryoso?
Gawin
Gusto
natin
mo?
yan, seryoso.
Sige.
Abangan niya mga immortal.
Yes. Oh.
Ayun.
Follow nyo yan. Check nyo yan. Stanley Chimmy. Hindi, seryoso.
Anong
Gawin
title
natin.
nung kanta?
So the song is called Binabaliw. Yun isa sa mga songs sa
Binabaliw.
album na yan. So
Pag ako nag-isip
maganda,
yun, hindi
maganda.
binabaliw. Baka hindi pwedeng banggitin eh.
ay
Pag ako nag-isip nung title, hindi pwede.
mahirap. Baka kumbaga kahit nasa spoof sa t-shirt, naka-censored, pixelated. No?
Thank you, Jasper. Pare.
Thank you for
supportan
allowing us.
natin si Jasper tsaka yung JCI Manila. Color Run, May 31,
Yes.
2026. Sunday ito, di ba?
Sunday yata. Hindi ko pa alam. Tingnan natin para
Tingnan
sigurado.
natin yung kung sigurado.
Pero sigurado ko May 31, SM Mall of Asia grounds.
Marami nasa running era, Sunday, May 31.
Sunday. Linggo yun. Sakto. Let's be a blessing on a Sunday kasi nga para to sa mental health.
Tsaka umaga pa lang,
yan.
productive ka na.
Hindi,
Tapos
sarap niyan. Actually, yung pagka-run mo, tapos breakfast kayo ng mga family mo, kung sino man, jowa mo. Kaya, habulin mo na dun. Baka may magustuhan ka, di ba?
Oo. Depende. Kasi ako tumatakbo ako, di ako tumiting ko saan eh. Doon ako sa time eh.
Ikaw kasi yung hinahabol.
Pinagsasabuan ako ng coach ko eh.
Ayun, focused.
pinagsasabuan.
Iba rin talaga, may goals.
Ayun. So thank you Jasper Tiongson.
Thank you.
Supportan natin siya sa Star Music, sa Spotify, social media, yung mga beauty contest na i-host niya. Ako inaabangan ko talaga mag-trending ka ulit eh. Yung sabihin na wala na namang underwear yung ano.
Oo nga, kaya nga.
Yung
nagugulat
contestant.
tayo sa mga ganun eh. Kasi alam mo naman yung utak natin, mabilis.
Oh.
Parang medyo nagulat yung utak ko mismo eh.
Hindi, kaya naman yata walang underwear para hapit na hapit yung suit niya.
Baka.
Feeling
Hindi ko na
style
natanong eh.
Style yun, tingin ko.
Natameme na ako eh.
Oo. So yun, there you have it guys for Jasper Tiongson. Maraming salamat sa pag-join
Thank
sa
you.
amin dito.
Thanks man.
I'm Stanley Chi. This is the Underpaid Podcast.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.